Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel TechNet Guide. Friends, in this video we are going to learn Python script for daily backup of Fortinet Firewall configuration. Let me tell you step, okay? So friends, you can see Python script to daily backup Fortinet Firewall steps here. First step, install Python on Windows machine. Then second step, install NetMako using pip, okay? Then write Python script. Then we'll create bash file to run Python script. Then we'll create task scheduler for automate daily backup. Okay. So friends, before going to create a script, first we have to ensure firewall should be reachable from your local PC. Okay. So you can see firewall is reachable from my local PC. Also friends, we need to ensure that SSH need to enable on the firewall. Okay. So let me check here if SSH port 22 enabled on the firewall, because Python will access via SSH. Okay, 1.201. Okay, so you can see we able to access via SSH. Okay, let me put P and password. So you can see able to access via SSH. Password, username, password is there. Okay. So username and password will be required in the Python script. Okay. Do first step. So friends, we have already installed Python on the Windows machine. Let's check. Okay. We'll check here with the command. We just go to PowerShell. PowerShell. Now friends, we will check Python version. Python installed or not. Okay. Python version. Okay. So you can see we have installed Python version. Okay. Now we have to install bash netmako bash. Here in second step we have to install pip install netmako. Okay. To connect network handler. Just install here. Okay. It's installing. Okay. Now it's installed here. Okay. So now let's go for second step. Just start here Python. Now friends, we will have to start here Python ideally. Okay, app to run Python script. Okay, so you can see this is a ideally app to run Python script here. Okay, now we'll do click on file, then click on new file. Okay. So friend, you can see I have already have a script for Python. Okay, I will explain you. Okay, so let me copy this and let me paste on the idly here. Okay, so let me explain you. Okay, so you can see we will import netmako connect handler. Okay, import date and time. Okay, for backup date and time, import OS. Okay. So now you can see we have defined here script logic Fortinet firewall backup. Okay. Now we'll try try to connect. Now it will try to connect Fortinet device with like device type Fortinet, host IP address of firewall here will be 201. Okay. Then username, password, then establish SSH connection. We have to run this script, print connect to the firewall at net connect handler Fortinet device. Okay, Fortinet device here. You can see what will be connect handler, what will be connect Fortinet device, this username and password. Okay, then send command. It will send command to after successful connection. It will be print connection successful. Then send command to get running config, print retrieve running config. Okay, then output will be net connect send. So what output will be net connect send command. What command will send? Show full configuration. So friends, in Fortinet firewall, so full configuration is for configuration backup. Okay, so generate timestamp in file name. So friend, what file name will be generate? There will be date and time. Okay, in the file. So timestamp, date and time now. Okay, start. File name will be, what file name will be? Fortinet Firewall Backup, timestamp. Okay. Now file path will be your where Python install here. Okay. So save to the file path where we this script saved here. Okay. Now print, then after output what will be print? After save the file, what will be print? Configuration backup to file path. Okay. Then it will be disconnect from the device, net disconnect. Okay. Print disconnect the firewall. It will, after disconnection, it will be print disconnected from the firewall. Okay. So what exception will be there? An error during backup. Okay. Okay friend, this is a script. Now we have to save this script here. Okay. Now friends, click here to save file. Okay. Now go to desktop, where we'll save Fortinet Firewall Backup. Okay. Here. Now friends, we'll try to run this script. Let's run this script here. Now friends, let's run this script to test. Okay, need to change IP address of the firewall here, 201. Okay, now again just save here and run again. Connecting to firewall, connection successful, retrieving configuration backup to this one, disconnected from firewall. Okay, so let me check this folder here. Go to desktop, then backup. This is my folder. So you can see this is my script and backup, Fortinet Firewall Backup 2025, date 16, 12 month. Okay, 7/43/19. Okay, so friends, you can see this is my backup of the firewall. So friends, now you can see successfully backed up of our FortiGate firewall. Now what we'll do, we will create a batch file. Okay, let me create batch file. Just open notepad. Now friends, just type here echo of, then type here Python to run Python script. Now we have to provide path here of our script. So you can see this is my Python script. Okay, so we'll give path here and slash or file name. Okay, file name, just put here py. Okay, and quotation 1, quotation close. Okay, now just exit. Now click on save to Fortinet Firewall Backup. So we have to select it all .bat. Click here all file. Now friends, we have to select here all file. Then here batch file name, Fortinet Firewall Backup .bat. Extension should be BAT. Okay, now click on save here, close. You can see we have created batch file. Now friends, we can test to run batch file. Let me delete this configuration which I have backed up. Okay, when we'll run this batch file, it will run Python script. Okay, let me check. Though you can see it's running Python script. Now firewall backup successfully here. Okay, so now friends, we have created a script here. We have created batch file to run this Python. Now friends, we will create a scheduler to automate daily backup. Okay, so go to the task scheduler, just type here task scheduler. Okay, now here so you can see task scheduler on window. Now click on action, then click basic task here. Now type here task name firewall backup. Okay, description you can put any trigger. Now click on next. You can do daily, weekly or monthly. So I will select here daily. So what time? Start from today. So you can see it occur every 1 day. Okay, so what my time here, let me put here 755, 754. Okay, trigger will start 754. Now click on next. Action start program. Now click on next. So we have to select path here, our batch file path. Okay, so firewall backup, you can see our batch file will select here batch file. Okay, now click on finish. Next, trigger will start 754 every day. Okay, now click on finish. So let's wait for, it's a 751. So friends, 753 backup will be there. Okay, so let's wait for 753. So you can see script running here. Okay, at the 753. Okay, and firewall backup happened here. Okay, so friends, in this video, so firewall backup is there with the task scheduler. So so daily it will start at 753, daily backup of the our Fortinet firewall. Okay, so friends, in this video we have seen Python script for automation for the Fortinet firewall daily backup. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.